Alright. Wild, enjoyable fun, says Screen Crush. A film by Daniels. Winner, Sundance Film Festival Directing Award. Stars Paul Dano, Daniel Radcliffe. Okay. A gorgeous adventure bursting with color, says Slash Film. Hilarious, wholly unique, says what does that say? I have no idea what that says. Collider, I think. Special features include deleted scenes, Q&A with filmmakers, Swiss Army Man behind the scenes, making of Manny, which is Daniel Radcliffe's character, featurette, and audio commentary. Radar for language and sexual material. The runtime is 97 minutes. Up and yup, of course it has one of these stupid ass security stickers. What's the point? I mean, it's already in plastic wrap. It's not like, I know they just need more protection. I mean, well, alright, but got it. There we go. Yeah, if you guys want to see my review of this movie, then look back on my channel. I made my review on it like a couple weeks ago. Yeah, guys, I like the movie so much I even got it on Blu-ray. I mean, really, surprisingly one of my favorite movies of the year. Up, before I open it, let me take the code out. Just a minute.
Did you bring the Coke in?
No, I haven't, but I'm making a video right now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Not showing the code. There's a Blu-ray disc. It's a boring gray disc. Yeah. I have to go through... Now, before I end this video, I had to go through, like... I went to, like, 2 Targets and 1 Walmart. I even went to Barnes & Noble, and they didn't have it. Luckily, I went to a Best Buy, and finally they had it. That is it. See you guys later. Word out.